All right, if you want to make a two-sided cake topper or flower pick, this is what you need. You're going to choose the design that you want and you're going to cut it in both directions, forward and then flipped. So when you put it together, it'll go like that. Then I use just a regular kitchen kebab skewer. Glue sometimes, tape sometimes. I'll show you why. This is a little eraser in case you get these little glue dots on your work surface, but I also work on a piece of paper to avoid that. This time I'm going to use tape to attach my skewer because I have enough room. Sometimes this base is skinnier and so it's too hard to use tape, and then you want to use glue, but when I can use tape, it's a little bit faster. All right, so we have that attached there. Then I'm going to take these adhesive glue dots and cover all the, at least not the whole thing, but all the edges, like anything that's going to maybe pull apart from each other. So if you go around the outside, you're good to go. You don't have to do every single piece. You could also use a spray adhesive, but you got to watch your ventilation on that, so I don't use it a lot. All right, now we just have to line this up, the front, with the sticky back. Press down. There will be a little bit separated where the skewer is, but that is how easy this is to do. So it's going to look really good from both sides. Now, all of my designs also include a file if you want to do it as two layers, more of a paper cut look with a solid back. And I did that with the little dimensional pop dots. So lots of options, and these are really fun for cakes and also flowers. So let me just show you how good that looks in a bouquet of flowers. Flowers are always a great way to congratulate someone, but what if you used your Cricut or your Silhouette and did something a little extra, like this sparkly way to go? It can be for a cake topper or used as a flower pick. So now, this beautiful bouquet is just a little bit more special.